Hey guys, here I am with another Wedding Album Wednesday, and this is of my two little pumpkin heads. He's actually the oldest, and he's the youngest out of our crew. So, I did matte this in the gray because I wanted to make sure it would fit this one and the other photo because I cut too far time over, so anywho. So, I have brought out quite a few things here. I'm thinking, yeah, I think I'm going to put that right there on the doily, because it just kind of fits perfectly. And when something like that happens, you gotta go with it. So, I hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving. I did. I was quite the baker this time around. But I do enjoy baking, so. Did I still? Yep. Come on already. Oh. Okay, super sorry. Turns out somebody was trying to call me. Anyway, back on track. Oh, did I? Yeah, I did, okay. Okay, now, I don't think I'm going to include this white paper. Now, got a bunch of sprinkly bits. And, oh, you know what? This one had some. Yes. Some circles. Sorry. There we go. Now, I want to do so happy. Oh, I kind of like smile. Yeah. Let's see. Oh, that's right. Here we go. And then I have these. These are wood veneers. And I think I'm pretty sure it's American Crafts, but they're like shiny. And these are the Freckled Fawn. Oop. Well, which way do I want to go? Nobody knows. There we go. I like that. And then I got to bring in these because I don't really have any other pictures with them in it, but I got another bow tie for the other picture, which is going to have my son and my daughter on it, which you'll see next time. Anywho, I thought that would be cute because it says groom's family, just to kind of indicate, because I don't think we got any pictures of like the people that showed up other than at the reception. So, and it's not like groom's family stuff, so yeah. I mean, they're not like separated like that, I don't think. I wanted to use picture perfect on here, but I just don't think it's gonna work, which is fine. Now I'm torn between, because I have those on here, of like bows. I already have 3 hearts here though, so I don't need to add any more of those. I didn't know if that would be too girly. I do have a few black ones, but then I think, I don't know. Kind of think I like these. Talk about too girly. Where are my... Here we go. There we go. Probably should put one down here. What did I do with them? Oh. Gracious me. Just kind of sprinkle these, and then that'll be, these will be done. I think I'm gonna go up top with this one. Oh no, right here. There we go. Okay. And then on the next one, I'll do some bows, but they'll probably be one of these, so that's fine. Oopsie. Shall we do? Oh yeah, I forgot about these flowers. No, I don't think that's gonna work with everything else. And I think I'm feeling like I got enough pink already, so I don't think I'm gonna use any of those. I will pop in some of these good old stars though. I always love doing a diagonal with my sprinklies. Oh, you know what? I think I'm going to do some, oopsie, don't move, white enamels. What's these people called? Nouveau drops. Nice. Okay. This is gonna have to be it, because you guys already know I ain't trying to have nouveau drops all over me today. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed my little wedding album layout here. And I hope you have a great rest of your week. I will see you guys next time. Bye.